Hey Dad, hey Greg, hey y'all. Well, as you can tell, it's another rainy night here in Georgia. But I did have a little surprise today. I got my frame rails in. So those came in and the box got good and soaked outside, but hey, at least they're here. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and try and continue on pulling the rest of this rocker panel out, see how far I can get on it. I don't expect to get it all the way out tonight, but I'll lower it down a little bit, try and get some of these spot welds started, just see if I can get it to move a little bit, maybe wiggle, I don't know. It won't wiggle hard, I'm sure, because those spot welds are in there and they put it in there to stay. But I really want to try and at least do a little something on it tonight. Not stay out here too late, but just every little bit counts. So I want to try and get it to where I can start getting in here and running these little patches, these little patch panels. Been researching, looking at the rust converter paints. Not real sure which one is the best, but I definitely want to use something, especially on the inside here. There's a little bit of flash or a little bit of surface rust in here. I'll clean it up a little bit, hit it with that rust converter paint, just see what we can do. Maybe run some other paint in there later on before I cover everything up. But I just want to try and do as much as I can so that this thing will stay looking good for as long as I possibly can get it to look good. So appreciate everybody watching, and I appreciate you coming back. This is your first video. I'm working on number 15 right here, so you can go back and watch the rest of those. So let's see what we can get done. Thanks, guys. I did a good floor cleanup, so this is what it looks like before I start cutting on it with the Sawzall and vibrating all the rest of the dirt out of it. That's my pile over there. That's my pile of rocker panel parts, pieces, and little giblets over there. So we'll see how much more I can get in there and add to it. Hopefully we can get a bunch of it. All right, it's way past my bedtime. I got so caught up in this that I looked down and it was 10:30 almost. So, but I got a couple layers out, so that doesn't leave too much. And this piece right here is the piece I just pulled out. So I think that was 2 layers. Ish. Outer rocker. So yeah, that was 1 layer. But a little progress. A little progress every night. If I'd done that for 18 years, I'd be done with it. But there we have it. 2 more layers, and then a bunch of little miscellaneous touch up to get the other junk out. So there's a few places I can't reach because of the inner braces on the inside of the car. So, but try and get out here and get this layer out and the next layer. We'll see what it ends up being. Okay, back out in the shop today, getting ready to get started on tearing the rest of that rocker panel out. It's been a few days since I've been out here, but a lot of work, a lot of stuff going on. So, but it's a little late today. I went out with my youngest daughter today. We went to a car show, and I'll put a few of those videos up in this spot so you can watch, and hope you all enjoy those too. But she hit me up last week wanting to go, so anytime my child wants to go to a car show, I'm in for it. So hope y'all enjoy, and when I come back, I'll be hitting this rocker panel again. Well, this is what you end up with when you take the rocker panel out of an old rusty Camaro. This cavity right here where the door channel turns down, or the door jamb, all of this right up in there was so packed full of dirt. And you can still see some of it up in there. That was pretty nasty. But it came out. Didn't want to, but it came out. And then my rookie mistake, right here and here. They say don't sink your grinder in the quarter panel, cut it slow, don't cut deep. Rookie mistake. I did it anyway. So I got it here and I nicked it right there. I can weld it up, I can fix it, but it just takes time to fix. But anyway, the whole thing is out. And now I've just got some patching and cleanup to do. And then I can start test fitting the new one in. And this, that is the pile of little bitty pieces you end up with. Oh. When you cut a rocker panel out of a Camaro. And some of those are really tiny little pieces. Some of those places you can't quite get to with the spot weld drill, so you gotta make it little pieces. Well, all right guys, I think that's gonna do it for this video. Got more progress done, that's a good thing. And got that rocker panel out. Got to enjoy my day a little bit with my daughter, so we had a good time going to that car show. So appreciate everybody watching. If you like what you're watching, like the videos, just hit that like, hit that subscribe down below, and we'll hope to see you next time. Thanks and have a good week, everybody.